Introduction to Regression Analysis. So let's consider a scenario where an apparel manufacturing company needs to find out the increase in sales for a particular month based on its TV ad. Now the analysis involves finding the relationship between the promotion campaign ad and the sales. In essence, we want to identify how much a campaign ad affects sales. So in such a case where a relation between two variables needs to be derived, regression is used. So regression analysis is used to make effective business predictions. Now what is regression analysis? Regression analysis is a technique used to estimate the relationship between variables and predict the value of one variable, the dependent variable, on the basis of other variables, the independent variable. So you may hear a variety of terms through data science and machine learning in regards to the nomenclature of what is a dependent and what is an independent variable. So an independent variable may also be a predictor variable, whereas a dependent variable may also be a target or criterion variable. All of these are completely synonymous, but basically looking at how does one impact the other.